This is the perfect gift for any occasion you've got coming up. So this is everything that's gonna come in your car care kit. We have gel glass, you've got some Citra Burst, poly protectant, ultra gloss, spray shine, regular microfibers, glass microfibers, noodle wash mitt, and a cute little bucket to use to wash the car with. So the first thing we're going to use out of the car care kit is Citra Burst. Citra Burst is an all-purpose multi-surface degreaser. So before using Citra Burst on a wheel and tire, you want to put it on a cool, wet surface. And sometimes if the wheel and tire is super dirty, there's going to be some light agitation with the proper brush. Citra Burst can also be used for removing decals, oven and grill cleaning, laundry pre-spotter, carpet and upholstery, and removing lipstick and makeup from clothing. So after you've used Citra Burst on your wheels and tires, the second thing we're going to use from the car care kit is Ultra Gloss. Today we're going to use the Ultra Gloss in a foam cannon, but you can also use it in a bucket wash method. If you use it in a bucket wash method, it's 1 ounce per gallon of water. Ultra Gloss is one of our most popular car soaps for waxed vehicles. It has a lot of polymer, i.e. waxes, which helps with the shine of the vehicle and the rinsing process. Next, we're going to use the finishing products from the car care kit. First, we're going to use Spray Shine. Spray Shine is an optical brightener after you wash and dry the vehicle that has protection in it and gives it that pop when you're done. You'll feel and see an instant difference after you're done spraying. The next finishing product we're going to use from our car care kit is Poly. So Poly Protectant is a real versatile product. You can use it on your tires, exterior trim, engine covers, door panels, leather seats, and your dash. So Poly is a water-based dressing. When you spray it on a tire, you will need to give it time to dry. The last thing you're going to want to use from the car care kit is our gel glass. So gel glass isn't only for automotive glass. You can also use it on your windows around the house.